dirty.
But that's the whole tragic point.
Man, what's the whole point, man? Cause this shit started to piss me out.
R.P. Brando.
Keep pushing, nigga.
Milo.
Do, nigga.
Slick Rick. I miss you niggas. I love you niggas, man. Free my nigga Freaky.
Shit.
Once again,
Sometimes I'm the bad guy.
Money Joe.
I love all
What's up,
y'all.
blood?
But you know I fuck with the Crips, niggas. What's up, cuz? But it's all the way around it, nigga. Break down.
I could smile.
With no tears, nigga.
I might lay back for a while.
No tears, nigga.
Tell me what would I do
Everything but quit, nigga.
if I could feel?
Yeah, everything.
They say I'm wrong. I'm always in trouble. Mind on the money, you wanna help make it double. I said bait for the snakes, they fall for it every time. Temptation is a bitch, she let you fuck the first time. Give a fuck if she mine, tell the truth she never will be. I fuck with the shit, she had your ass trying to kill me. You should wanna feel me, I always keep it tight. Be the first to admit it, I know when I ain't right. Your enemy don't get you, it's always your own people. Keep playing with the game when I told you I was lethal. Fly like an eagle, and I don't even live by. But I can strike a match, burn it down and start a real ride. You still wanna try? Once I do it, I can't take it back. Fucking around with ball, we get sloppy like a Big Mac. Niggas take the facts and quit living off a lie. I just need my slice, you can eat the whole pie. You can catch me in the sky, put my maxes on the moon. I gave his ass a bowling, so they where to get the spoons. I wanna see you on the news or read about it in the paper. You can have the world and you'll still be a hater. Money don't spell real, nigga, he thought it did. I do this for the Lord and I do this for my kids and my niggas in my pen and the folks that are gone. Ball, make it happen, get it cracking right or wrong. Fuck your song, this my life. I put it on they pipe. I was right there on the corner by the driveway under the street light. Tiny White gon' get it right, they always gon' say something. Y'all been waiting on this shit, waiting on me to say roll the weed up. Speed up, you're getting left, turn the beat up. Cause we the last ones left. So I bomb like a stealth and call shots like a ref. It's sign language cause I'm deaf. I'm like nobody else. Retaliation is a must. Watch you feel what I felt. And we all fall short and I just play the hand I'm dealt. Do it moving cause ain't no turning back. The game so they told me that. Mad ball the gritter, yep, the game shake them over that. Work that cause I know I can. Execute with a game plan. Summer sauce and handstands. Toes bags and rubber bands. PD cash advance. If you don't want this, pay the man. If I don't do it, let him will. Let him know I'm really ill. Fuck how the niggas feel. Ignore what a sucker say. Stay down and come up. Cause every dog got his day. And the time is always now. Time is of the essence. I'm a king, not a peasant. I'ma teach your ass a lesson. When you grinning with mad ball, you better count your blessings. Now I float around flexing. You just sit around stressing. Young corn on the cob. Now I'm turkey with the dressing. Young cranberry juice with no vodka in it. That's the problem with you little niggas. You don't pay attention. Weak will, no ambition. Tell that nigga keep fishing. Nickname transmission. Cause you always